Okay, so we have lots of Costa coffee stores in the UK. We're a division of Costa that's called Costa Express. So what we do is we make a machine that we think makes as good a cup of coffee as you get in a Costa store. And out of a self-serve machine. With fresh milk, fresh beans, the coffee's ground to our exact specification. We then heat the water to the right temperature, we push the right amount of water through the coffee, and we set the grind. So it takes 20 seconds to extract 14.5 grams of coffee to the perfect flavour. And then we use fresh milk, which is in a fridge underneath here, which is then foamed through this Swiss machine. So if you're making a cappuccino, for example, you've got this perfect espresso on the top with a foam in the top.
It's an espresso machine. It's traditional way of making espresso.
We have 2,500 machines in the UK at the moment, and they are up and down the motorway. They make a fantastic drink. But we were very lucky about a year ago. We got the opportunity to start again from scratch, and we decided what could we do. So we decided to look at the 5 senses. First of all, the look of the machine is designed by Pininfarina. As you can see, it's all curvy. It's probably the only curvy thing at this show, I think.
Yeah. It's very Italian.
It's actually built in the same factory where they build a Ferrari 458, just as a bit of a nerdy comment. When you go to get a coffee, you get the sound of a Costa coffee bar, so there's a sound of cups clinking in the background. You'll hear it when you go a bit closer, and the sound of a lady playing music in the background. If you're listening, you can hear the sound of steam ones going off.
I want these.
There's an aim camera hidden in here, so it looks for eyes. So there's an attract mode that comes on. If nobody's in front of it, it shows different cities of the world with Costa written on there. When your drink's being made, there's a scent cartridge in here that's made by Sentis of Paris. This just blows the smell of chocolate or pan au chocolat or Italian coffee shop or whatever you want into the room. You've already got the smell of the fresh coffee because all the coffee's ground fresh as it is. The sound out of interest is produced by the same guy that produces U2, and the graphic user interface is made by the same guys that do the Harry Potter films. So it's all a bit grand.
You spared no expense.
No, not at all. There's a wave and pay device as well, so you can pay cashless with your card. This is machine set on free vend at the moment. But the most important thing is the product at the end of the day. So my real job is to look after the product, and so you have all this fun going on, and then at the end of it you get the best cup of coffee you've ever had.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.